Hello and welcome. This is How to Scholar. So today we'll be looking at name correction on certificate. To perform this query, the applicant is required to attach a letter from the school or college, copy of affected certificate at grade 7, will be required to attach the birth record under 5 or birth certificate with correct name. So if you are a grade 7, you don't have any other form of ID. You have to use your birth record or birth certificate. Someone that's in grade 9, they'll have to attach their grade 7 certificate so that they can check the names that were on the grade 7 certificate, which are correct. In case if ECZ is not that made, the error when entering, they're going to follow the names that were used on grade 7. Okay, then for grade 12, school certificate at grade 12, uh, the requirement to be the grade 9 certificate with the correct names. So if the error was made from grade 7, it usually becomes very difficult to make those changes. Okay, then GCE, TVETA, I'm not sure what TD is, you need the NRC with the correct names. After a query is approved to produce a new certificate, grade 7s will be required to pay. I think almost these amounts are almost the same, as you can see. 260, those are the amounts. You can go through at your own time. We're just going through. Okay, so on the candidate details, this is your information, the school where you sat for your exams. So most of this information is very similar. It's the same information that you're placing in always. Maybe just the information that they require is what's different. So here the contact details. So as you can see, you pick the service center there, your physical address. Then here, letter from the school where you sat for your exams. Then you just agree there, submit. Once you do that, they'll have to go through your application, and once they're done, they get to approve it if all the information is correct and the information they require to make those changes is available. Then in the same message that says your application has been approved, it's also going to say you can now proceed to make the payment. So now let's move to the next video.